Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why chopping onions makes us cry? It's not because we're sad, but because of a chemical in the onion that tickles our eyes. When we cut into an onion, we release something called syn-propanethial-S-oxide. This stuff is usually trapped inside the onion, but when we chop it, it gets out. Now, here's the thing: when syn-propanethial-S-oxide meets the wetness in our eyes, it turns into something called sulfuric acid. This acid makes our eyes feel uncomfortable. So our eyes start making tears to protect themselves and wash the acid away. Some onions make us cry more than others, because they have different amounts of syn-propanethial-S-oxide. Things like the type of onion, how old it is, and how it was grown can change how much of this stuff an onion has. Cooking onions can also help. When we cook onions, the stuff that makes us cry gets broken down by the heat, so cooked onions aren't as likely to make us cry. So, the next time you chop onions and tears start flowing, remember it's just because of a little chemical reaction in the onion, but don't worry. There are tricks you can try to keep those tears at bay. You can try putting the onion in the fridge before chopping it, cutting it under water, or using a fan to blow the irritant away from your face, wearing goggles or glasses, keeping the onion intact. Using a sharp knife or cooking the onions beforehand can also help. By using these tricks, you can make chopping onions a tear-free experience, so the next time you're in the kitchen, don't let those onions make you cry. Try out these tips and chop away with ease. Please like the video and goodbye.